Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, August the 28th, 2021. And the last puzzle I will do for today is a tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 3313. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well, could be a hard one, but also could be an easy one. Alright, and for 4 stars puzzle, I have a time limit, 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. Alright. And the first question to you, can we see here the single box or boxes in this puzzle? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. Here also, single box, always a 1. Do we have dual boxes in this puzzle? Yeah. I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. More dual boxes in this puzzle? No. I see here then the following step, the triple box. I see 1 triple box. Do we have more? No, only 1 triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Alright, quadra box. Do we see here any quadra boxes? I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures, constructions, structures, you name it. Alright, and the first structure or shape is this one. Yeah, let me draw this. Let me draw this. Okay, here. And you need to recognize this structure because this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, let me draw this. This box is the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2. Okay. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape that you need to recognize is this shape. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? Shape or no? Yeah, those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2 that you need to recognize, yeah. But there are more shapes that you need to recognize, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle contains only 2. Alright, so the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright. Okay. I think. Well, let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, a 3 and a 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be 3 and a 4. We have a double 3 and a 4 there. Cannot be a 1, cannot be a 5, so 1 digit left should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Then, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Yeah. Okay. I'm thinking. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, let me continue here. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 1. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 4. No, this box can be a 3. And this box can also not be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5 here. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, and cannot be 3 or a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. This box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So One box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Yeah, let me mark those. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 3 anymore. We have a double 3. So this should be a 5. And that box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be a 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 3 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and a 1, but we already have a 1 here. So it can be a 1. This should be a 3, and it's connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. That means that this box cannot be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 and double 4 there. Cannot be a 1. In this quarter box, so 1 digit left should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Now we have 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. And the final 4 numbers here. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final number of this area should be for the number 5. Finish in 30 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. But is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? No. Because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. So yeah, it's a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the binaries, playlists for the tectonics, Playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the medium, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you'll find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. Until then, bye bye for now.